Hi everyone, this is Mary, and on this video I will show you how to upload your bills through email. On this option of uploading bills, your bills will be posted directly to your Xero accounting software. You may use your mobile devices or your personal computer when uploading bills through email attachment. First thing to do is you must configure your setting here in my profile menu. You must choose how do you want your bills to be posted. It could be as draft, as awaiting approval, or as approved. Here I chose awaiting approval. And then don't forget to tick this box and click save. On the upper part, you have your unique email address where you're going to send your bills. So here, just copy the email address and put into the recipient field. And then you must attach your bills. I have here, I attach one bill and just send it. And then we're going to wait until the email notification comes in your email. So it would be like this: the invoice number, the supplier name, the status of uploading. It would be success, or sometimes it's failed because of duplicated bills, and the uploaded date. So after that, we will wait until it's successfully posted. Okay, let us now check my email if there's an email notification. Okay, I received the email notification here, and it says that the scan success. So to check that, we will go to Xero. This is the bills that I posted. So it's Opal with a 905426365. Okay, let's check here. Okay. Okay, this is the bill that I've used. Okay, as you can see, we have the awaiting approval as what I chose, and then the account is cost of goods sold. This is the default account that we use here in Cosmic Bills. And if you want that to change other account, you must map your supplier in Cosmic Bills um, account. And the video for that or instruction has a separate video that I made. Okay, so everything is good and the process is so easy. The total amount is 1127.96 with a GST of 102.54, which is correct. And that's how email attachment works here in Cosmic Bills. Thank you.